websites, yeah. Create a new folder, call it bad website. Also, I'm working on a Minecraft texture pack. So if anyone wants to see that, say in the comments and I might release a video. So far I've only got the sword, diamond sword and a bow done. But yeah, it looks pretty sick. So we'll go to bad website, open with code, new file. Oh, this is going to be the HTML. I was gonna get a custom channel URL, but I need 100 subscribers. So that might put a bit of a delay on it. So let's start. So if we just open this, so I only use Opera to do websites and stuff. So you can see my MS Paint from my last video. But yeah, okay, so this looks pretty bad. But look, where's the maker's felt? Where's the text background colour? Where's the low quality background? I'll start with the CF. Linked it. Welcome to my gaming channel. Okay, now I'm just gonna do the colours. Which will take 10 seconds. Alexa, play. It's beautiful. Should I make it? Okay, I'm gonna make it bold, italics, underlined, stuff like that. Hello, it is me who is editing the video again. Hope you've enjoyed. Half the video half of the video got lost, so I'm sorry, but this is how I'm gonna have to show you the video. Okay, you ready? Let's have a countdown. 3, 2, 1. This is it. So let me give you a little bit of a tour. Welcome to my gaming channel. I play many games, for example, MS Paint, Minecraft, and Ark Survival Evolve. And this is just my YouTube URL.